Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure work is saved and you have the right permissions. This prevents data loss. Once done, open Microsoft Edge so you can see all active windows and tabs. If Edge is already running in the background, use Taskbar or Alt+Tab to reveal it. Make sure to note any profiles signed in, because closing will end those sessions. Now prepare to close each window cleanly. Don't force quit yet. That comes later if needed. Now close windows and tabs in a methodical way. Click the X or use Ctrl+W to close tabs one by one, which helps preserve session data. Once windows are closed, go to Settings Profiles to sign out any synced accounts if you want a fully stop background activity. If Edge still runs, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager, find Microsoft Edge processes, and end them. This ensures no background tasks keep finish by preventing automatic restarts. Open Edge settings, go to System and turn off Continue running background apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Make sure Windows startup apps don't include Edge and check services for any related entries. Once changed, restart your PC to confirm behavior. If Edge still reopens or crashes, clear cache and cookies, then run Reset in Edge settings. This often fixes corrupted profiles causing relaunches. If problems persist, reinstall Edge or check for policy overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.